Bobrisky don carry cry come say im face over white plus another cross-gender wey dey fighting for Bobrisky. My cry people dem no be small thing oo. Person don wake up from the transgender big cross-dresser community to fighting for Bobo Risky. Una know say Toto Dikese bin don yab am say im family reject am, even the gay communities too follow reject am because una know say James Brown dey always badmouth Bobrisky wella. So yeah, Bobrisky don get person wey dey fighting for am. No be only James Brown o, J Boogie, Diva, this J Boogie and this im friend Diva, na men be this yo. They are on too much. Alright, today myself, they don't call, Bobrisky from time to time, call her out. So this one na J Boogie own, we call Bobrisky out. Even that Diva self, they call Bobrisky wella. I say, chai, now wow. We don't lost one male, one husband, I don't go so. Hey, go to the shell, go to the pa. Men where they are John Thomas, not they stay one place. Now they go hear them. The day where they go carry their fellow man. Alright, so my carry people, them even this other cross-dresser too. Whether they call her Michelle Page, she too she been done call Bobrisky out. Whether na Cloud Chase that they use the name Cloud Chase yo, I been a hate the hater more, I don't know. But yeah, so thank God though, say Bobrisky too don't get person to where they fighting for him. Nothing like say the whole transgender, cross-dresser community all day against her. At least you don't get person where they fighting for him. The thing don't share certainly even Tonto DK use and said they insulted Bobrisky. Say your family they against you. Even the transgender community they against you. No be small senior. Alright, we will see what it make. Oga con they call out James Brown. They talky. Get one video where James Brown been do about Bobrisky. That time where Bobrisky go Benin, where they almost wele am there for Benin. James Brown can't do one video. So now the video now this guy man can they talk about can to defend Bobrisky. You know do one since that when the news are expire, we don't even plan to do berry. That time I go dig him again. Come at.
Hey darling, it's your girl James Brown, the princess of Africa. People have been tagging me since. People have been tagging me about this Bobrisky issues, fighting with Tonto. Everybody have been tagging me. The thing about it is, I'm not going to say thing because it's not my fight. But the thing I want to say is that Bobrisky needs to stop all this drama. It's spoiling cross-dresser names. He is spoiling a lot of cross-dressers names. Do you know that everything Bobrisky has done in the industry is backlashing on other cross-dressers like me? Who will say, that's what they do. They go use man spoil everything. There be bad biter, there be snitch, there be stuff, there be this. Aren't you tired of fighting everybody? Must you fight? You want to cut back? Come on, God, man. Are you not tired of fighting? Why are you God of war? You're like a god of disease. Everywhere you go, fight. God. I can't believe one person should be this toxic, like devil himself. God. You need deliverance, please. We need deliverance. We need to deliver him. He needs to be delivered. Do you know the funny part of it? Bobrisky is like god of war or daughter of war. If he doesn't fight his mommy today, he fights his grandfather. If he doesn't fight his grandfather, he fights his auntie. If he doesn't fight his auntie, he fights his best friend. If he doesn't fight his best friend, he has someone to fight with. His new companion. He must fight with somebody. Shani. It's like God of War. It's like, I know he doesn't understand. Not everybody understands God of War, or he might thought I'm insulting. I'm not insulting him more. God of War is just a metaphors. All those, ADs. I don't know if you might understand. Not the way they pass history class. But the thing is that, can't you just stop fighting people? Don't you get tired? They have embarrassed you. Everything they see on social media. Basically, of these things, half of these things are actually real. Though. Like, one of the things they say about him is basically, real because I know them. I don't have to say it because it's not my business. I just want to beg you, guys, stop tagging me. Stop tagging me to this. Stop tagging me. Stop tagging me. Stop tagging me. I don't want. Just stop tagging me because I don't want like. It's like a chaos that is coming for people. I don't want the chaos in my life. I just want happiness, protection, love, and don't you guys get it? Have you guys seen me fight with anybody? Like, who does it? Even brands come to me. I'm like, oh, James, you're a good guy. You're a good person. God bless you. You don't fight with any brand. That's why I want to do advert with you. You're not like your other. Always fight with brand. Jesus. Aishi. Chai. I'm not happy at all. I'm not happy. Well, it is well. It is well. It is well. It is well. I pray, Lord Almighty, should heal you from this uncleanness spirit of all you go is to fight. I wish God should clean it. Because I give you by, how old are you now, Seth? By 35, all your friends should have. Do you have any friends again? No. Well, you start hanging out with some children. Wow. Please, wise up. Bob, please, wise. Wise! All day, wise!
So some kids, some pikin, some small children wey never finish, they want dey more popular this year. We know your goal this year is to have 1 million followers, and how you want take do am? To dey insult your mama, to dey insult your mama, your mothers. Come to think of it, who brought you to the game? James, who brought you to the game? It was Bobrisky who brought you into the industry. Don't forget that, and stop biting the hand that feed you, that brought you to this level you are today. For you to be going around and be saying, let's now know. Yes, you went to Benin. Yes, you went to Benin. Yes, with who? With which people? With which class in the plane? Which class you entered? You went to Benin with the normal class that every normal people enters. But Bobrisky bought business class to go to Benin. Who is the biggest girl? You rent car just to make video and talk bad about Bobrisky. We all know the cars you use is rented to make videos. The rooms you use is a hotel. You book hotel to make videos just to talk about Bobrisky. You book hotel to talk about somebody who have mansions. You rent car to talk about someone who have cars. Among you both, who is the richest? Who is the big girl? And you even have the effrontery to be calling Bobrisky your auntie. Bobrisky is not your auntie, James. Bobrisky is your mama. Because I know in the next 50 years to come, you will never even achieve half of what Bobrisky achieved. Now, Bob give you money where you take chop, rich as you did so. Receive sense in Jesus' name this year, James. Try to respect yourself. Stop renting cars to talk about your mama. Stop booking hotels to talk about your mama. And now I will just, James, I send you 150,000 naira to post my content for your page. Until today, you no post that content, and you call yourself big girl, and that is how you go around taking people's money. But I don't say you don't get respect, but this year you will get respect by force. James, you need to refund all the money where people don't send for your account. So say maybe you post their content where you no post. This year 2022, Bob no go dey answer you. Na the fans, na them go dey answer you to show you say Bob na your mama. James Brown, this year we the Bobrisky fans you go tie your hands for back. You go very well this year. Pikin wey no get respect, wetin dey do and
No be small thing, no. Cross-dresser, transgender, they don't get industry. Hey, wahala do be the work of a show you wear. Oh, che. Alright, so someone listen to fans reaction. The first person here says, see as men they do their self online. The second person say, is there who brought you into the industry for me? I beg, which industry, please? Then the third person can say, una get industry, can laugh. Now well, the fourth can say, year of the shims, can laugh. Then the last one go say, God please, na male boy I want to. Bobrisky wey the cuckoo dey fight for, no be that one dey do Bobrisky o. Wetin dey do Bobrisky na when he look himself for mirror, him face no resemble him face again. Na wetin dey do Bobrisky be that o, and he don carry cry come. Say say him face don change o, he need to go do another surgery. Make I read am for una. Alright, so he say, I understand many of you don't want me to go through no more pain, yeah, but I noticed something hasn't been right about my face after my BBL surgery. My eyes is getting bigger, yes, it's cool, but some fat are going to face too, and it's making my face fatter. I need that buccal fat removal as soon as possible. I want my face snatched. My doctor said for 1 month, let me control what I eat. Then let's see if it will go down. If not, I will need that surgery as soon as possible. He can say, I have so many surgery to be done this year. I am planning doing it around May so I can heal fast before my birthday. Getting my nose done, facelift, buccal fat removal, liposuction, bruise lift. Person wey no get Bobby, na im dey talk of Bobby lift. Believe Bobrisky at your own risk yo. Person wey go im papa birthday, nothing dey chest. Nothing. When he dey go there, go carry kaftan wear. Nothing dey chest. Even the lipo sef wey say even do. People say he no do anything because when Bobrisky talk say in dey abroad, people say na for Lagos that he dey. Abeg Bobrisky stop to dey deceive people abeg. Alright, my correct people there, una thank you for watching. Una stay beautiful. Una bye.